Hi everybody, Mrs. Jentz here. In this homework lesson, we're going to work on some real-life applications of the Pythagorean theorem. Our learning target is, I can apply the Pythagorean theorem to calculate the length of a side of a right triangle given the other two side lengths. But first, let's review. The Pythagorean theorem only deals with right triangles. Ooh, look, here's a picture of one. A right triangle always has one right angle which measures exactly 90 degrees. So remember that, right angle equals 90 degrees. A right angle is denoted with that little box you see in the corner. You also need to know some vocabulary. Whoop, here's my right triangle again. So the side opposite the right angle in a right triangle is called the hypotenuse, and this is the longest side of a right triangle. The other two sides are called the legs. So note that the longest side of a right triangle, hypotenuse. The other two sides are legs. We denote the hypotenuse with the letter C, and we denote the legs with an A and a B. Now it doesn't matter which leg you call A and which leg you call B, but we always call the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, C. So let's get to the Pythagorean theorem. First, we're going to state it in words. The sum of the squares of the legs of a right triangle equals the square of the hypotenuse. We can also represent the Pythagorean theorem using an equation. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. The a squared plus b squared represents the sum of the squares of the legs of the right triangle, while the c squared represents the square of the hypotenuse. Now we could also represent the Pythagorean theorem visually, and next is a video clip showing a proof of the Pythagorean theorem. So sit back and enjoy.